Nature Vital Clinic.
Nature Vital Clinic.
Metinda sivitale kuitwa mate kutendeka ni kuitwa nae mate simetendeke yako.
Nature Vital Clinic, that is one of the best. Come try and test. Dr. Kitusawa has a good name, and he helped a lot of people. He has the experience and professionalism to handling all kinds of diseases.
Karibu Nature Tuesday, nukutebeka. Karibu Nature wakatatu, karibu Nature wakana, nukutebeka. Karibu Nature Friday, karibu Nature Saturday, nukutebeka. Na witimaelu.
Inyonde.
In yours.
Inyonde.
In yours.
Muyadoche.
Murasochi.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's nice.
Utanu munene kwa kuwe mwikali watala. Yusi vitali wa Nature Vital Wellness Center. Nuthenge isie uiti vakuvinaku. Ndukanya mai kuthiva asa kukwata uiti. Tuiva wa vituka soko watala. Mbewa kanisa wa ABC. Kungathanisia na kanisa wa PEFA. Indi wenda kukomana na Dr. Kitusawa. Ethia wakuo kila wakeli. Lakini manyakana. Tuvungwete kila muthenya. Kwambia saa ile sia kwacha. Ginya saa 10 ile sia airwayo. Uka ukwate uiti. Nature Vital Wellness Center. Your home of wellness.
Watendata mwana mwaseisi wa Mutongoi TV ni naikwatio ni wethi wa na kilitho cha kwa ilani watinda nesa na yuni wasamwa nyongo dho chengi dhini wa kilungu kicha uima wa mwe kwa ndo wasio wa Nature Vital Clinic na umundi tuina matakitali na aini kuma ilini kisio ndelilika na kanani ilini kimbingi siya Nature Vital Wellness Center na unambodo chanda kitali Dr. Simon Kitusawa tiungi ni Dr. Simon Kitusawa Nature Vital Clinic na kitali watindata
Natina nesa beti watindata
Natida nesa.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
You're looking good, eh?
Thank you.
We are energetic.
Yeah, I am. Yes, mba nondo wa woite mosola ni dhiro ndikwata.
Good.
Kile museisia wa Mutongoi TV.
Nina ukethia museisia wa Mutongoi TV na nina odhocha katika kilungu ki. Nikana tukwatia neba mpaka mumino kilio. Na ticho kikamba kiu.
Ndicho kikamba mpaka mweso kana mpaka
mumino wa kilungu.
Ni wao.
Karibu tena na kuimanisa kuhusu wima witu wa mwe. Na tumwonia baadhi ya mambo mara tuika kukito na sindu ila tuenda ndo mamane. Ila mom ene maita da Messi kana wit ula andu mekwenda. Eka ula makita akula simizu. Thank you.
Na mono vyano makwenda umani wa yulu wa mele. Ni situ alegelola musimu wa Christmas.
Yes.
Ula mondo hesa kila wana. Kila wawekelia ya.
Tuka kwa mana January. Kila mwezi aneiwa.
Neiwa ebu inithokia ebu ya kwa neiwa thimbo mata ebu ya kwa neiwa ina mathina. So daktari ukaponde si wandu yulu wa. Maliwala mailito ya.
Yes.
Wali to yale wili hata ingino na tota bise to yale wa ise to yale wa alkali. To yale to ya acidic. Kana ona ise the opposite.
Tuita ku strike balance beti na kini tusokinenia ndo mundi wote na mweni ula tu mwete nikenda au makateka matakitali maitu Nature Vital Wellness Center lakini maybe ondi libete la kicha how we should eat twali takuya 80% alkaline food na 20% acidic food. What is alkaline food? Alkaline food in simple terms ni green vegetable, ni vegetables and fruits. Kana fruits and vegetables. Acidic food ni mba na kasi wanyasi na nitiku. You understand what I mean? Kila kitavanda wa mundani.
Ya alkaline zo wale kwa wingi ila si umama.
80%. What we do the opposite. Twika opposite. Yeah, nicho wana ama women maingi vye na lifespan ya there. Okay? Na si luingi itaweta wana mpaka kwa siya na nini kuteni. Mauma taweta wa kwenye mundini mawetwa. Nungu wa mile mithuku. Anu mayenda kwa alkaline their bodies. Angio na ni mwamesi baisi magiti wa soma kirudo pH balance. Okay? Wakiwikila na pH maisi pH ninya wao. Wanamdiza na makamana.
Dota mbito dhocha aini maitu kana aini ma Nature Vital Clinic kwa tutabia kwa watu lilikania ile ni kisenyo siva na ila si the mobile nondo saingi no mwenda akondo.
Yes. Yutaju twin chadhiki sio muno weekend no betie that is on Thursday tina wote Friday tina mali na matuku 18 tida emali itkeda emali actually before the Christmas as you know makakwata DC. So kila mudana itibingweta branches situ tina several branches so far tuna branch to launch wakeli ukite official launch ya branch tu ya Tala na tu launch tedhia na special treatment plan ya nomaitu matala timita special offer nondo tima supermarket that we tell asiembo we are not there for business, we are there for a well-being of our people. Okay, and we also want to bring sanity in that field kutikethia tuinengana uitwe mwana Tala wakeli ukite tukethia iketha ne ibada bunza tukamba ibada together no the mwana together na life band wakeli ukite Tala na witu wonde wa wakeli ukanengana na 10% discount umbesa si wamde ila si faida wa Nature Vital andu baitu makana ngwanda wata none ngwana the same makana ngwana same price ila ida waidi kinayo na still even more than that nuru rizo kwa faida wa 10% maybe you get less than that, but now Nature Vital need you meet that even being there you just enjoy the premises. Of course we say live kisia Nature Vital only feel idea so nitamugo change on there anuma Tala na mawithi uroloko
na muthenya ucio kuthimwa no mana otakawaida
mwana ucio kuthimwa mana kuona matakitali mana na matakitali tiketha tie ingiki tiketha diseta tiketha tina 10 matakitali nundi disia no maketha me ingi na nurses maketha me kwa wingi piku ka atendwa ete ciana ete aciei ukawe mwene kila mundu ni ekata yenyumilie okay kuthimwa ni mana kuona daktari ni mana I mean
so that we Tala wakeli uyumilie kwa wingi pio okay Nature Vital
ona etha Tala ona etha we palogetha munozu yote. Okay, it's a special day for you and it will give you a lot of ukakwata kindu kiutani
ndoketikila utani siku wena kiachala ke bando oiwe bando wena bando ndoketikila musei waku ume town withie musei ni wabine iwe ne kwithiwa o tenga masaa mako enda Tala Nature Vital Clinic ukina utetheka namba cia simu sibuki yoni no muko nienda kitali kethayo na bando kuwa pe bando na kethayo na personal issues bengi bando ngi matenda uweta is issue sia kukasema
madagitali metubikiaze kila kitu choombe paikimo na kidha kiki ni kula na before we continue na nikenda tumaete mwenye ulanda kitala tetu nake one of our doctors actually naketha Tala thiita ni mu China na tukita pena timu nene muno ya Chinese yokita kuita Nature Vital in fact next year we expecting about 20 doctors why more ya banye ndizi ukabwa ba yakandika wete Betty every Monday and Friday nye nitha masaku Asante House Building go masaku to bingwete kila muthana clinic kitu ki Asante House Building the right opposite Susu Center kana adjacent ni kunyetha ni kusiani sio hiyo iweta waninywa tangazaji kusiani sio na kipendo cha munuka tukwate na petrol station total kana toto petrol same building okay so previa ne masaku kila muthana to bingwete lakini nyengeza bumana na Friday wakatatu nitha matu Cooperative Bank first floor idite boba 2 MB Plaza pa ye dio stage ya kudhimu inge kana Garissa building yesu ya kizozi bau lisa second floor with pen lift nduka stairs ndo bi lift ndo bi ya second utwawe gwe kaleli obuno byuma uyumo with those yenzie Nature Vital Clinic then ubongolongo no mlolongo T hotel connection wabika kila kiao ni cha ni kiao kana ni flyover ya yellow wabika bukulia hotel connection tulikumina na kawo shitwa JD or something okay so we are there karibu any tupingwete mlolongo daily lakini nyononekana weekend Saturday na Sunday from afternoon okay Sunday ndeti agoche tukuona daktari maana kuito kuthimwa ni maana yes
yumile kwa wingi ili nikisionde cia Nature Vital ketha wengaliko cia mlolongo sisi kila kiba kubi na muno Tala muthenya ucio nondu ndawa siketha sinengo na 10% off yumile kwa wingi wikithekana ni watetheka
utanu munene kwa kuwe mwikali wa tala yusi vitali wa Nature Vital Wellness Center nuthenge isye uiti vakuvi naku ndukanyamai kuthiva asa kukwata uiti tuiva wa vituka soko wa tala mbe wa kanisa wa ABC kungethanisia na kanisa wa PEFA indi wenda kukomana na Dr. Kitusawa ethia wakuo kila wakeli lakini manyakana tuvungwete kila muthenya kwambia saa ile sia kwacha nginya saa 12 sia wiyo uka ukwate uiti. Nature Vital Wellness Center, your home of wellness.
Mwana musesi na Mutongo TV otondo tukuwathite kana twina aini makuma Nature Vital Clinic otondo ndagitali Dr. Simon Kitusawa mina na kuotabia yu thini wa studio situ twina ndagitali na timu kamba na timu Kenya na timu Africa rongwe ndo muthocha au tabia situ yake na mweka thini wa Nature Vital Clinic. Welcome. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi, everyone.
Tell them your name and what you do.
My name is Dr. Hong Yong. I come from China. I'm the partner of Dr. Kitusawa. Yeah, we are here to let you more about Nature Vital Clinic. Yeah.
This is Mutongoi TV.
Okay.
Mutongoi TV.
Mutongoi TV.
Yeah, it means leaders.
Leaders.
Yeah, we are leaders.
Okay.
Tell them what you do in Nature Vital Clinic.
Nature Vital Clinic, we are looking for another alternative, holistic treatment, for all the Kenyans.
What makes Nature Vital Clinic different? The treatment that is done in Nature Vital different from others?
Different from others. Number one, at the Nature Vital Clinic, we do free consultation, free checkup, and free testing. Okay, and the other one is we have licensed or certified. Traditional medicine practitioners. And the number 3, we'll provide you the genuine, natural medicines. Yeah.
Traditional medicine meaning they have no chemical?
Yes, made by nature, no side effects, no chemical, and very effective.
Dr. Simon has been telling us that in China, there are no people working with crutches, they are not getting sick. Why is this so? And in Kenya, it's different.
I think that's come from our gene. You know, China, we have a long history, like more than 5,000 years, and during this period of time, we have a lot of famous doctors, they are coming up with some very effective prescriptions, all right, and it's time honored, and it's working very effective. And also we've been educated, from very young, from the family, from the school, all right. We have the basic, the healthcare knowledge, just something small, but works big. Yeah.
Why are people getting more sick here in Kenya? Is it what we are consuming? Is it the lifestyle? Is it what?
I think number one is a lifestyle. Eat regularly, and eat more nutrition
when
food.
You say more regularly, us in Kenya we eat in morning, at lunchtime, and there is now the supper, the dinner. How frequent should we eat?
I think that is for you. That's why you are keeping a very good health. I also have so many Kenya friends, and also I also have some patients. What they provide, what they tell me, what can see from them, they are not eating actually very regularly. Some just maybe because in a rush they never take breakfast. If you don't take breakfast, it's damage your liver function. And some they don't eat lunch. And another very bad habit is dinner. They number one, they eat a lot. Then they eat very late. After eating, no exercise,
You go direct to sleep.
Yeah, watching TV, couch in the sofa, and then go sleep. Okay, and giving a lot of burden to the stomach or to the other organs of the body.
You know, most of us, we just eat for the sake of eating. So we don't know what we should eat in the morning, what we should eat at lunchtime. So what should you do in the morning?
In the morning, you know, breakfast is very important. Yeah. After whole night, there's no other consuming or eating. The body is keeping the hungry status. Even the blood sugar is very low. Okay, and you know, liver is also a digestive organ. Okay, especially for meat, for the proteins. So during the night, the liver, okay, is producing a lot of fluid, which keep in gallbladder, okay, and it's ready for consuming the breakfast. If you are not eating those fluid, they are going to be, okay, always be there, okay, and sometimes it's very harmful to the body and cost a lot and cost the stones, okay, and stay inside the liver.
So in the morning we should take every breakfast.
You need to take every breakfast. Breakfast is the must. Breakfast is a must. Okay.
And then
if you don't have time, eat lunch. Okay, it's okay. Maybe you take some snacks or whatever. But breakfast is a must. Okay.
Mwana mwase isi wa mtongo TV ni kuhana. Nuwa ile tovi ndo wa ile kwa yale wapo. Nikana kwikiria ni wethi wana wima musio wa mwe. Nene se buyo ni mwe saki ukabona. Na kwa acha wekito sama. Yuko acha no ile te kuye ukabona alafu yo kalaka ini nondo mwe wende to dio mwa ngwa ya wende to kona. And then what do you have to say about Nature Vital Clinic, the things you do, the procedures you do? You know, most of people have arthritis and they say, my legs are paining, I don't know how I'm going to get a better treatment.
Okay. At the Nature Vital Clinic,
how do you do it?
We have, number one, we have a modern diagnosis, or testing machines. Okay, you come in here, we do the professional, full body scan. Okay, and imagine it's free. Okay, to
it's
give
free.
you a give you a very clear picture or status. Okay, then from there, use the experience of our doctors, and we give you a specific plan. Okay. I think that is another unique for Nature Vital Clinic. Yeah, we do respect, each and every patient. All right. The prescription are not the same. Okay.
They are according.
They are according to different whatever. Or give you a individual plan. Okay, for individuals. Okay. Right.
You just don't treat for the sake of treating. You don't treat symptoms. You diagnose the patient.
And also we looking for the reason. Or we find out the root. So we helping you to restore the health completely. All right. It happens. Sometimes patients are complaining. Okay, I got a headache. Okay, but which makes them thinking or imagine or worry a lot. Maybe my brain has a problem. I have a tumor or what happened, right? But maybe the headache is caused by the poor function of your kidney. Okay? Yeah, and also somehow you are feeling weakness. All right, and you can hear from your ear some ringing, Okay, you are saying, my ear has problem. No, it might be the calling of your liver. All right, so we at Nature Vital Clinic, we find the root, we find the reason, and we tell you the reason. Okay, so we'll give you a tailor-made, health plan to get you restored completely to health. Yeah.
Dr. Wange asa kana vane cha Vital Clinic marita ake tu andenge kana maita ake tumbo mamba kumana udhina valawi ni kana kwikide kana ni muate de kavyo bate kuba bate dia ni kana mai bate dasia oiti maita uwoso valawi meche. Then what do you have to say about the health living? What do you have to tell about our viewers about health living, the lifestyle they should be living right now?
Especially lifestyle, okay, for eating, okay.
No, previously we had traditional foods, traditional medicine, but now it has changed.
Yeah.
We are now in modern than people have forgotten about the foods we used to eat. They were very energetic, but now they go for fast food.
Okay, yeah, fast food. Yeah, fast food. Everyone like it. So, I cannot see you stop eating, okay? Or fast food or whatever, yeah. But anyway, okay, balance the diet, okay? Maybe today you have to, in a rush, eat, okay, junk food or fast food, but maybe another meal, okay, you balance a bit. Eat some organic, yeah? And also another very important, to take some like vitamins, vitamins, some supplements, to the body.
So you should not take food in a hurry.
Yeah.
You should take your time.
The eating is a way of, okay, is a way of enjoying, okay, yeah.
For us, we do eat in a hurry. I am rushing.
And also, eating in a hurry somehow, okay, but don't do it always. And also another thing is don't eat the food when it's too hot. Okay,
So
I don't know why you've seen today this year's statistics of Kenya cancer, cancer diseases. The second one is the cancer caused by people eating too hot food. Yeah. Okay.
Wow, that's news to most of us.
Yeah.
Mosia isandwa lito ya leo mupio no kosi ya cancer. So atela lewa ku tukayo mupio muno ndukayo muthe pono atela wa mbopo anga baini na we akabola ni kana wekide kala ni wethe wana we mamosio wamwe awe mamosio wamwe wambia ona bumele ne yako tio ndo amawo momite kuno kibathukanya no mele Popa mele ni boba itete na kondo na kukwete mawo maingi make kibathukanya. Before we wind up, because we had started earlier, before we wind up, what do you have to say about Nature Vital Clinics?
No matter I talking how whatever, okay, I think the better way is, the best way is you guys come, to experience by yourself and give your comments, okay? I do believe you will have a unique and very good experience, okay? And remember, it's free, okay?
Free.
Yeah, it's free. No matter what kind of diseases, okay, or unwells harass you, just coming here, all right? And Nature Vital Clinic, we are a group of doctors, okay, leading by the leader doctor of Kitusawa, Simon. Yeah. Now Simon has a dream to open more and more clinics. Yeah, Nature Vital. We are open in each corner of Kenya. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Wang, for making our viewers learn something. We shall invite you another day to come and talk to them and continue educating them on health matters. Thank you so much. Say, Wende Kuiloela Mutongoi TV. Say, Wende Kuiloela Mutongoi TV. That is okay. You are watching Mutongoi TV.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
We shall invite you again to come and talk to our viewers. Nimo bya musiaisi anondo kwati ananaito kilonguni ki niwe dukisanda ketale niwa bikia no manakanando ile toya le mobio kana niwa ilete maliwala ile toya kwa achale ulo ilete kwa yawo kana kwa achano ilete kwa yale ula mwinge na uyo yakalaka ini niko ile idetwe ka the opposite. So nimo bya daktari tuka mu invite yenge ni kwa tene na kwa dulani wa ile wane santu kese kwa asia ni wa kondo sianganda kanyene to beti wa mwanyana ni na daktari Your name?
Dr. Hong Yong.
Dr. Hong Yong.
Yes. And also, you're also welcome. Yeah, come to visit us. Yeah, or visit, or come here, talk to me. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Ni muvya museisia toko marangi muthenya ungi.
Utanu munene kwa kuwe mwikali wa tala Sivitali wa Nature Vital Wellness Center nuthenge isye uiti vakuvi naku ndukanyamai kuthiva asa kukwata uiti tuiva wa vituka soko wa tala mbe wa kanisa wa ABC kungethanisia na kanisa wa PEFA indi wenda kukomana na Dr. Kitusawa ethia wakuo kila wakeli lakini manyakana tuvungwete kila muthenya kwambia saa ile sia kwacha nginya saa 12 sia wiyo uka ukwate uiti. Nature Vital Wellness Center, your home of wellness.
Betty, nitethukisia mweni witu na andu ingi maisika na Nature Vital is very serious institution. We are not here to do a guesswork. Nisa ukimya andu miti. Yangu ravike tukama kaitwa kaundu kama ba. Oyu ukosa matumasu kuma ulenge na kikungi. Kana kikowe no yani kabaya malie maukauka na makauka watumba nga matwika mutu we kie kuniani bado no mutu these are vegetables tiwa ikaushitwe wona wathi watabilano mya muti uita kukowa ni wati sumu lakini ndawa ithimito no ni scientifically proved approved it isn't uitu wa Nature Vital tiwa utabilano mitima kuniani na kikombe ukethia unyungi tata luta muku aidha kindu kwithukizwe mpaka we ambao tunganga mundu kanini manyune tina we don't do such things ithiete itabilandu miti makuniane mai makathoche we don't do such things ndawa situ sikito ukunikili wa science sumite China sito TCM traditional Chinese medicine ni habo niki ni habo nundu wa kwitha sio sumite from nature natural source okay na ikakalibratewa ikadhimwa ikabibike suligwa ngoni ikavitu kivyo ni ma universities kadhaa na matakitali certified the most professionals in the world makona kananda weno ni yaili tukumwa ni mundu wa pressure wa sukali wa mitambuko kwacha mpaka wiyo wona tumieno kwa kibiluke na thinasu ni mekata ndawa situ stikana na kubosia nisika ku repair ni kunawe wa repair how you getting He restore me. What is to restore? To restore ni both healing and restoration. Okay? Na tinenga ni ilani kana warning. Kuya ndo beti make utembea kuunga lini na masokoni mayasia mafukumana nature. Mekite to withdraw weight. Please. Duketi kile kukengwa nikingi kana mukola. Tina okas ithi tutumite bandu. Ndawa situbuka sivya bandu soko. Okay, ndawa situ ikwatikana ilini kikwitu peke yake wanambisa wana nasi umire na ndawa anenge mundu baumbe we don't do that ze umabane mundu mwene patient yokuwa akanengwa receipt na kaandikwa na duka mu prescribe ya na tuitwa na details yake okay in case ona akethwa ni DCI ba ya ndawa no unyaba no oka kwitu tukoneka ni theta munenga you get the point ku mikola ila mu koma nayo kana kunga nduka no make uthi kunga lini makanisa ngali kuma stage masaku kuma ilobi ila siendete kitui kila bandu bonde mithenya andu no sie ni mwite ndakitali wito Simon Kitusawa ko tumemeni ni mwite ku Mutongo TV mumona akila wachumwa saidi sia wiyoi usiwa mwoka clinic kwito te munenga ndawero na ngilisia nono muna lakini yuba anondo akwitha ni offer ni discount munenga ni munenga mbasi na wathi kuisa kindu kila kindini withia ni songe kana kidhoi kikido kasia ndini we don't do such things we are professionals mama mundu su unya simu yaku mubuko record ekatunengane ki ta Nature Vital mundu kiuni chonda gwenuke kwasia wona mundu ukunena kindu cha muthembo sina ni pole tu akuye bindesa osa simu yaku mu record na wa mu record witutumia clip wa tumia we ambao unengwa ngili miongo elini Nature Vital mundu usuni mali ya serikali usu eosobala we onanduka mwatie onanduka mukunia onanduka muhuli we kuniki eosobala we onatha ne dhimani serikali ndiko kwasa ubisa wake ndugo to kwenda eosobala we atwa wa kotini ILC ki naumie ba na ulo munengi license yesu no okay so we don't do that is a warning wako mana mundu usu either wisi kana ni wakwata ngili miongo ili kuma bala bene chavaito nikenda to protect sitwa itu na tuisobi amwe itu maike kukengwa dukaenda woka kwe no yasi minda wa yitu. Thank you.
Ndio likanya cha vata monopio dawa cia Nature Vital Clinic ni pure sedingwa chemicals na woka kwa na daktari ne mana na kodimwa ne mana so ndoketi kile kwikala na sialia muno musimo wa Christmas tani asiko kuya kutena bando vena bando tena bando kuwa vena bando so osa namba cia simo cia Dr. Simon Kitusawa ni subu ithio wakio cha kunika no bikie na utete ko mukoni simo tawe mathina maku na uitete kanda kitali ndoto cia kusia mwe twemina.
Tuko mana Nature Vital Wellness Centers the home of wellness kila bandu bonde tiende no spread adisovika kila bandu bo mumo anga inomu yanie na ekani the name mundu ambe kukuishi a Merry Christmas nundu ni ukite lakini itanamba kubika make sure isi kukuwa meya uteba ndu kwaje gaina mwathimi.
Asante tuka mana ingi uwachomwa masao tasu ndeni wa kidongo cha wima wa mwe kondo wasio wa Nature Vital Clinic nyane tawabeti wa mwaniati Vanessa.
Utanu munene kwa kuwe mwikali wa tala yusi vitali wa Nature Vital Wellness Center nuthenge isie uiti vakuvinaku ndukanya mai kuthiva asa kukwata uiti tuiva wa vituka soko wa tala mbe wa kanisa wa ABC kungethanisia na kanisa wa PEFA indi wenda kukomana na Dr. Kitusawa ethia wakuo kila wakeli lakini manyakana tuvunguete kila muthenya kwambia saa ile sia kwacha nginya saa 10 ile sia wiyo uka ukwate uiti. Nature Vital Wellness Center, your home of wellness.
Ukai, say that.
Ukai. Dhini wa
Nature Vital Clinic.
Nature Vital Clinic.
Anwengilia wa ukila bandu madini temuno metinda sivitali kuitwa mateku telega kuitwa nae matesi meteveke yako.
Nature Vital Clinic is one of the best. Come try and test. Dr. Kitusawa has a good name and he helped a lot of people. He has the experience, professionalism to handling all kinds of diseases.